In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a cloud app inside of Azure. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to portal.azure.com, and then from here you'll just need to sign in to your account. Now from here you'll need to create a new web app, and to do that you'll simply need to go up to the search bar up here and click in web app like so, and then from here under marketplace you'll see the first option up here called web app. Once from here you'll simply need to click on it, and then from here you'll be able to choose and create a web app. Now from here you'll need to go down to the subscription and choose your specific subscription that you want to add this app to, and also put it into a resource group. Here you can choose one of your already made, or you can create a new one by clicking create new and then adding in a name like so. From here you'll simply need to go down to instant details and add in a name for the specific web app. So let's just call it this for this tutorial, and you can secure unique detail host name by clicking either here, or you can select it on and off if you want to do that. From here you will also be able to add whether or not it should be a code or a container, and you can also down here add the runtime stack, where I can choose between all of these options. From here you'll need to choose the specific operating system, and here you can choose between Linux or Windows, and you can also change the region that you'll need to choose the region that is closest to you. So for my case that is in Sweden, like so, Sweden Central. And from here you can also go down to the Linux plan and then choose your specific plan, or either create a new one if you're not satisfied with that. You can also add the pricing plan, and down here you can also add a zone redundancy if you want to do that. You'll also be able to add in databases if you want to do that, deployments, network, monitor and secure, and over here you'll simply need to go over to review and create. You can also do that by clicking on this blue icon down here in the left hand corner and go down and click here. Once from here you'll be able to see a review of your entire order, and then you can click create down here. You can also download a template for the automation by clicking right here if you want to do that. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!